How to buy bread on Coinbase wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily buy bread coin in your Coinbase wallet. So make sure you watch the video carefully so that you don't miss any of the steps in this process. So first of all, you just have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar you simply need to search for coinmarketcap.com. This will land you on the official website of coinmarketcap.com, where you just have to use the search bar in the top, and in the search bar you simply need to search for bread. Now once you have found bread, you simply need to tap on its icon and then you will be landed on its overview page. Now over here what you need to do is you simply need to scroll down a bit, and over here you will be able to see its contract address. So you just have to copy this contract address from here, and then you just have to launch your Coinbase wallet application. Now once you have done that, you just have to tap on the browser button in the bottom, and over here you will be able to see various types of applications like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, etc. But among these we have working with the Uniswap. So if you are not able to find it over here, then you just have to type Uniswap in the search bar, and then once you have found Uniswap, you simply need to tap on it and then you will be landed on the official website of Uniswap. Over here you need to make sure that the base network is selected, the icon of which is given in the top. Then you just have to simply connect your base wallet with it. For that you just have to tap on the connect button, and then it will show you the connection option. So you just have to tap on the connect button, and this way you will be able to do it easily. Afterwards you can start your swapping process. So over here it will ask you to select the token. So in order to select the token, you just have to tap on select token, and here in this section you just have to simply paste the bread coin address. Afterwards it will show you the bread coin over here, so you need to select bread coin. Then you just have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to spend in order to purchase the bread coin. Then it will show you the gas fees and the amount of bread coin that you are going to get. Over here you just have to tap on the swap button, and this way you will be able to get the bread coin in your Coinbase wallet, and you will be able to view them on the home page. If you want to view the transactions, then you just have to tap on the transactions in order to view whether you get your bread coin in your Coinbase wallet or not. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.